Comb it out, but be patient.
Ooh.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Gentle.
Keep hydrating it, don't.
That's what she said. Yes, sir. YouTube, what is good? Vinny Matthews here. Thanks for checking out the channel. Locka Gang, where you at? Locka Gang, Locka Gang. Go ahead and leave the lock emoji in the comment box down below. Hit the like button for your boy. And if you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. We trying to hit 100K up in this thing. Let's get right into it, all right? So I had so much fun last week doing the reviews with the TikTok challenges. I was saying to myself, why not do it again, you know? And I stumbled across this trend that's going on with dreadlocks, man. And it baffled me. The audacity of people combing out their dreadlocks. Man, what? People are really combing out their dreadlocks, man. Shout out to Activerse, man. I think he's doing a little series right now of him combing out his dreadlocks. And I think it's very interesting, man, because I've always considered myself combing out my dreadlocks, start off with my dreadlock journey. But, you know, as of today, man, I really do want to see the process. I really want to see the mindset of these people that are combing out their dreadlocks. Like, why are they doing it? You know, like, or is it just a trend, or they do want to start over, or do they just want to cut off their locks? Or like, what's the real purpose of them combing out their locks? Let me know. Maybe I can build up my confidence to do it someday. But would that consider me out of the Locka Gang? What if I started over my dreadlocks? Like, I think Gunther the Great did that. What if I did that? How would you guys feel? Let me know in the comment box down below. But without further ado, let's get into these lockers.
Today I decided to comb out my dreads.
Is that DDG? Okay, first off, that is not even the correct comb to comb out of dreadlocks, okay? Like, let's stop the cap right now, all right? I already feel like I know where this video is going, but I'm gonna play it out anyway. Okay.
On my way to take your bit.
The cap is at a full-time high. You guys see myself bump into that, man? I try to play it off, man, but you guys know it was cap. DDG, you tried. But my lock 101 knowledge is too high. My lock IQ is too high. Let's keep it going.
Today I combed my dreads out.
Okay.
You don't know my
Hey. All right. So I actually like how his hair turned out to be, man. It looks kind of dry, you know. Looks like could have added some more, you know, water or some conditioner to it. But these actually look okay, man. And it's like his hair is kind of brownish, blackish, man. Hey, but they kind of look good, man. All right. I guess for him, it's kind of easy for him to comb out his dreadlocks because he doesn't have that, you know. His locks aren't that long, so it's like, you know, you cut out your journey pretty short, man. Like, you know, I'm just like, yo, your dreadlocks could have been so much more, but hey, man, it's your locks. You do what you want to do. Let's keep it going. Okay. Ooh, we got a brown skin shorty. Shorty looking good with the tattoos. I like TikTok so far. Okay, she said it's been 3 years. Okay, exactly. That's what you're supposed to use a rat tail. Hold up. Wait. The process took me roughly 14 days. Each lock would take anywhere from 20 to 50 minutes to comb out. The smaller the lock, the longer it took. Oh, 14 days, man. Oh, 2 weeks to get all these locks out? Nah, man. Nah. I ain't never taking it out now. 2 weeks? Come on now. Okay. Hey, okay. So she said she gained 6 to 7 inches of hair from when I began my lock journey until now. Hey man, that looks good, man. That actually looks good, man. But 14 days just to comb out the locks, just to get out the Locka Gang. Yo, you can just step on out. Cut your locks off. But I get it. You guys want to retain your hair? I get it. All right, what my man got right here? Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. All right, all right. Jeez, that's a lot of hair, man. Is that part of the process? Like, you comb out so much dead hair follicles, that is that much hair? Like, you can donate that hair, man. But yo, this looks good, man. I can't imagine what my hair looks like without dreadlocks. And I've had dreadlocks for so long, man. I forgot my hair texture in a sense, you know? Ooh, I like that. My man got the fresh lineup and he kept the one dread right there. I like this style. I do like this style, man. And I like how his hair texture is, man. Like, cause it can easily get into like semi-freeform locks. I like this, man.
Today I decided to comb out my dreads.
Okay. Yeah, again, what is with that comb, man? Like, that is not the correct comb to comb out your locks, man. And with our hair texture is too crinkly and curly for that. I mean, like, come on now. Okay.
Yes, Sirski.
Oh, yes, Sirski. Hey, man.
On my way to steal your girl. Today.
So what is with that? Like, Mr. Steal Your Girl, man. Like, even with my dreadlocks, I'ma still steal your girl. Dreadlocks or not. I don't get that. Like, guys, you know, I guess when they get out the dreadlock stage, they want to steal your girl. I steal your girl with my dreadlocks, man. What you saying, man? But that looks good. That was cool. That was cool. That was cool. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Jeez. I just had to pause it just to say jeez. Ooh. That was a lot of locks. That was a lot of hair, man, but his hair looked kind of dry, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like anything dry, you know, macaroni and cheese conversation. Women. You know what I'm talking about. You know it's dry. Check your pH balance or something. I don't like it, but you know. I'm still thirsty though. I'm still thirsty. Let's keep it going.
Taking out my boyfriend's dreads he has had for 5 years.
That's got to be a great feeling. Like, if you have somebody to take out your locks for you, man, that's the best move. But I'm single, and I'm lonely, and I'm ugly. I'm playing. You know I got your girl number on my phone. Ooh, let's keep it going.
Drench in water, now conditioner.
All right. Exactly how you're supposed to do it.
More conditioner, but make it leave-in.
Leave-in conditioner.
Comb it out, but be patient.
Ooh.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Gentle.
Keep hydrating it, don't.
That's what she said.
Let it get dry. That build up out.
Ooh.
It's so satisfying.
Ooh, so much build up, man. I bet he was using beeswax. Shame on you. Shame on you.
I gave it all for fantasy.
Alright, so question, why is everybody playing the Brent Faiyaz, you know, Clouded? I mean, of course I have to block it out because of, you know, copyrights. I'm trying to get paid for this video. But yeah, this is just a trend that's been going on, but let's keep it going. Ooh, that's a lot of hair, B. That's a lot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can just only imagine the feeling, you know, like, you know, the feeling when we just get a fresh retwist. It's a great feeling. But the feeling to like, you know, comb out all your dreadlocks, like, how does that feel? Like, are you relieved? Like, are you relieved because, you know, you still got your hair, but you don't have your dreadlocks no more? Like, what is it going to get to somebody to that point to just want to like comb out their dreadlocks? And the patience and the consistency that you have to have for that, that's crazy. That's tough. That's tough.
Mine for your locks.
Okay. Ooh. Yo, man, I don't know what's going on here, man. Like, I don't know what's going on over here, like with his hair hanging out, man. But hey, man, I hope it looks good in the end. That's not bad. Okay. The twist. Ooh. The twist, the slice. I like that. I like that. Hey, man, but those look good, man. Just imagine you can restart out your dreadlocks like that, man. That looks good. That's a nice little cleanup, man. I guess depending on how you start out your locks, and you may not like how it started out, but it's not about how you start out. It's all about how you finish. And it seems like he's on the right direction to finishing out his dreadlocks. That looks good, man.
Never hold your hand.
Okay, combed out his locks about a year ago, so today we're going to do finger coils and let them lock up again. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Okay, so he's doing it for himself.
Back it up, 2 2 3 gon' make a nigga back it up. 21. Tryna strip a nigga, change my outfit, nigga ain't black enough.
Hey man, that got me hyped. That got me hyped, cause I'm like, if I ever was to like comb out my dreadlocks, I think I would go without dreadlocks for like a good year, just experience life, and then maybe I would cut off those locks and maybe get the 360 waves. But you know, I can't stay away from the Locka Gang forever. I would definitely get back into the Locka Gang, man, and I would definitely do like a semi freeform, man, cause I just think those are dope. I think semi freeform are dope. Telling my brain to comb out my dreads out. Alright, man. Alright, so I gotta end the video right here because this is getting me too hyped. This is getting me too excited, man. I don't want it to get it to the point where I feel like, oh, Vinny, maybe you should comb out your dreadlocks. I don't want to be influenced like that, okay? So I'm gonna end this right here. I'm stopping the video right here. Man, I just had to, man. So let me know in the comment box down below, man. Is this a trend that you may start doing? You better not, man. You better not be out the Locka Gang, man. Don't you ever do that. Stick to the gang. And with all that being said, guys, leave a lock emoji in the comment box down below. Hit the like button. Let me know what you guys feel about this video, man. Do you like these type of videos when I do these type of reactions? Let me know in the comment box down below. And until the next video, guys, my name is Vinny Matthews, and I'm out.